Korean egg soup Gyeontong recipe. Introduction. Hey, fellow foodies. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we're exploring the world of Korean cuisine with a simple, yet satisfying dish, egg soup, or Gyeontong in Korean. This classic comfort food is a perfect side dish for your favorite Korean drinks. Let's jump into the recipe. Ingredients. Let's kick things off by going through the ingredients for this delicious egg soup. For eggs, 4 cups chicken or vegetable broth, 12 cup chopped onion, 12 cup chopped zucchini, 14 cup chopped carrot, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, salt and pepper to taste, chopped green onions for garnish. Instructions. Step 1. Prep the ingredients. Start by chopping the vegetables. We'll use onions, zucchini, and carrots to add texture and flavor to our egg soup. Step 2. Create the broth. In a pot, bring 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth to a gentle simmer. The broth will serve as the flavorful base for our egg soup. Step 3. Add vegetables. Drop the chopped onions, zucchini, and carrots into the simmering broth. Let them cook until the vegetables are tender but still have a slight crunch. Step 4. Season the broth. Add soy sauce to the broth, giving it a savory kick. Stir well to ensure the flavors are evenly distributed. Step 5. Whisk the eggs. While the vegetables are cooking, let's prepare the star of the show, the eggs. Crack 4 eggs into a bowl and whisk them until well combined. This will give our soup a silky texture. Step 6. Add whisked eggs to the soup. Once the vegetables are tender, gradually pour the whisked eggs into the simmering broth to create those beautiful egg ribbons. Gently stir the soup in one direction with a pair of chopsticks. Step 7. Season and garnish. Season the soup with salt and pepper to your liking. Remember, you can always adjust the seasoning later. Drizzle a teaspoon of sesame oil into the soup for a delightful aroma that enhances the overall flavor. Finish off the dish by sprinkling chopped green onions over the top. Not only does it add a burst of freshness, but it also provides a lovely contrast of color. Conclusion. There you have it, a comforting bowl of Korean egg soup. I hope you enjoyed cooking along with me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious recipes, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy cooking!